Hey, if you are looking to make over $10,000 every single month by re-uploading YouTube videos, then stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Paul Motley here, and I have another video on this subject because so many people are doing it right now. There's so many people posting videos about it right now, and I thought, do you know what? It's a good time to actually put another video up because you might think it, the whole bus has left the station right now, but believe me, you are not even scratching the surface yet. You know the whole thing about the iceberg, about seeing a little bit above the water and then all of it underneath. Well, I've got to tell you a few things about that. You see, the thing is, a lot of people are still making an incredible amount of money just by re-uploading videos, and it's literally cut and paste. So if you've ever used a computer before and you know how to cut and paste, you should be able to make videos that are going to make you multiple thousands every single month. But let's go for it. Let's get started. Let's go. Here we are. Boom. All right. So welcome back. Here we are. And we are getting ready to show you how all this is put together. So I'm going to show you some methods on how you can make $10,000 a month just by re-uploading videos. So how are these sites doing it? How are these channels doing it, should I say? And let's really dive into it and really touch on how much money these guys are making already. And we're going to introduce you to one page, or a site, should I say, that can show you exactly kind of like what's going on and how you can do it too. So what I've done is done a real quick search on YouTube to have a look at two channels, because I think both of these channels are doing the same sort of thing. One has had more success than the other, but it's also worth to actually see what are the kind of results that you're likely to get, and rather than saying, okay, right, well, this is the elite channel and that's what you're going to aim for, but I'm going to give you something realistic as well. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize, but also make a huge difference rather than just relying on the money that YouTube might pay you for showing your videos and then getting other people to advertise on top of your videos, right? All the money is mostly made through a different method. So that's what I want to show you. So we're going to start off here with, we have Useens relaxing videos. Okay, now this page actually has been around for a little while. In fact, if I hit the about, it's actually been around 8 years. Okay, so let's head back to the home page now. Hopefully it's not going to play over on top of me. There we go. And it's got around 33,000 subscribers, which is a decent amount, and it's actually had over 16 million views in that time. Now we use a site called here we go, let's go over this, Social Blade, to actually see the sort of money that they could be achieving through the Google AdSense platform, which basically means you're getting a slice of the money that people are paying to put advertisements over your videos. Right now, looking at this, even with all those views, right, 16 million views, their estimated monthly earnings is, if I convert that around, is less than $500 every single month, which is kind of crazy when you actually think about it. So why is it so low when you compare it to another site or another YouTube, soothing relaxation, right? This guy, I'm taking it's a guy, right? So he's a composer by the sound of it. It looks like it's there. 8 million subscribers, and if we look at his about, how many has he got? That's an awful lot of views, right? An awful lot of views, right? So if we go to Social Blade, have a look and see how much this channel is likely to be achieving. That is between 12,000, so it's around $15,000 per month on the low end, right up to almost about 250, close to even like $300,000 every single month, right? So this guy should be pretty happy with what he's doing going on there. But what are they actually posting, and why is it making so much money? So let's just have a look at one of the videos that they're doing right now. So I'm going to come off the screen for a minute. I'm going to play you about 30 seconds of this video so you can see exactly what they're doing. Alright, I cut in there a little bit earlier, mainly because I didn't want anyone to get bored on the video. So all it is like music, and relaxing music, should I say, and then relaxing footage. Now, this guy's a composer, so he obviously does his own music, right? But if you're talking about reposting videos, it's real simple to find where you can get those videos to repost. So I'm going to have a look at a site now where you can find royalty-free videos that you can use to splice together to make these type of videos. So here we are over at a site called Pexels, right? And you can find relaxing videos, right? So you can type in ocean videos, for example, and get some of these crazy little clips. Now, some of which are really small clips, some are longer clips. But if you think about it, if someone's trying to relax, then if you can spin them up, and obviously don't repeat them every 4 or 5 times, but you could maybe have them running once an hour or once every 2 hours or something like that. So realistically, yes, you've got to download a whole bunch of these videos, but you don't need to be doing thousands of them, because when you actually do the search on YouTube for either relaxation videos or sleep videos, they can be anything around 3 hours to 8 hours or 12 hours. And in fact, some actually do a production where they will have it streaming 24/7, right? Now, don't ask me how they do that, but I'm just saying that's what they do. And of course, if you do decide to stream for that long, then obviously you're catering for people all around the world that are hoping to get to sleep. So you might want to think about that. Maybe you could have a block of video which is like 8 hours long, and then jump in right before at the end of those 8 hours and start a second video, and then that takes you to 16 hours, then start another video, your third video, and of course then you're rolling it all the time. You're literally getting watch time going crazy over YouTube because you are producing the content constantly, right? So that's a pro tip right there. So where else could you find this royalty-free video that would require almost no editing whatsoever? Well, the answer is right on YouTube itself. So what I've done is I've posted in sleep music, and I've gone to filters here. Hang on, we're going to do that. We've gone to filters and then selected Creative Commons. And this has given me all these videos here. This one, for example, is 10 hours long. Now, I could download that entire video, stick another track over the top of it, and guess what? All of a sudden it becomes a fresh video which you can then upload. Now, what I would say, if you are going to start messing around with Creative Commons, please be careful, because someone may have already taken content from another page, and then obviously they are not going to have permission, so you might end up getting a copyright strike on that. So at worst, take the video, splice it up yourself, add your extra track on the top of it, and then it becomes a brand new video. But what about the soundtrack? So you want to make sure you do not get any copyright claims on your videos, and there is one place where I can guarantee you will never ever get into trouble, and that is using the audio library within YouTube itself. So all you're going to need to do is go into the YouTube studio, scroll down where it says audio library, and there it's going to give you a whole bunch of music that you can use royalty free. So let's take a look and see how we can put this together and see the sort of length of clips that you can use, and hopefully it's going to make life so much easier. So all I've done is use the filter up here where it says free music and put calm down. Now you can see here some of this is 32 minutes long, 30 minutes, 29, 23. All of a sudden you've got the best part of 2 to 3 hours worth of music there that you can just literally throw into your editor. Once you've downloaded it, bang it into your video and you are good to go. And literally it is, again, it's cut and paste. You can't get much more simpler than that. So once you've put everything together, uploaded it onto YouTube, suddenly the magic's going to start happening, right? Well, there is a little bit more to it than that, and if you go to some of my other videos, I'm going to talk about video SEO to make sure that your video actually gets seen i.e. gets ranked for some of the keywords that people might be searching for. And don't forget, people aren't just searching for it on YouTube itself. Your video might actually get ranked on Google as well. So you're going to get extra search traffic from that literally for free. But how do we make even more money from our videos? Well, I'm going to introduce you to something which you may or may not have heard of before. It's called affiliate marketing, which means that you could actually go ahead and sell other people's products by dropping a link on your video itself and then getting a commission if they go ahead and purchase. And one of the best places to go and find that is ClickBank, right? So this is a ClickBank website here. So I'm just going to log in and we're going to have a look and see if there's anything which might make even more money than just the Google AdSense alone. So I've gone inside of the ClickBank marketplace and just typed in the word sleep and just check out some of the commissions that you could be earning from putting out these type of videos. And of course, there's a whole, as I said, marketplace of products where you don't have to worry about the product creation. You don't have to handle sales support. You don't have to handle billing or anything else to go with it, or refunds or anything else. It's just literally pointing people towards a product, and if they purchase, you get a commission. So just check this one out here. Harmonium sleep support, right? It's a sleep supplement. So if people are looking to try and get to sleep, it's super important. They have a major problem. It's something that occurs every single day. So if you can provide them with an option as a solution, then guess what? They might be desperate enough. They might really be hot enough to go ahead and purchase something. And in this case here, average conversion is worth $57. So let's do the math on that. If you were to get, let's say, 10,000 people watch just one of your videos. So I've just pulled up the calculator real quick and we're just going to type in 10,000, right? 10,000 people watch the video. Let's say if only 1%, so it's 0.1, actually go ahead and click the link. And if you think about it, the average sales page converts around 3%. So let's say it's around 3% of that, and we know it's 3 people purchase. So we times that by 5 to 7, 11, then potentially for every 10,000 people that watch your video, you could be making $171, literally hands free. Now that sounds pretty cool, right? But are you just going to get 10,000? No, you might actually get like 100,000. So let's multiply that out. Or you might even have 10 videos which are doing the same thing. So kind of like it's the same sum like this. So you could be earning $1,700 just from either one video getting excellent results, or even 10 videos making decent or semi-decent results as well. But of course, we looked at some of the channels where they were getting absolutely millions of views every single month. Now, let's say it was 10 times that amount, and boom, you're over $15,000 every single month. Now, remember, I put in a really small percentage for people that actually watched the video and actually clicked on the link on the video. And believe me, on my past history, when I've been doing videos, there tends to be a lot more than just 1 out of 100 people that do go ahead and click the link, especially when it's something really important like trying to get to sleep, right? Because we all need sleep every single night. Now, I do want to really impress on you the importance of being an affiliate and how it can absolutely blow your channel up as far as how much you're actually going to earn each month as well. So this is why I created my 10K per month method program. So if you go to the description right now, the very first link is going to send you to this page where I'm going to explain exactly what you're going to get, how you can set up an affiliate business to complement what you're already doing on YouTube to make sure you get maximum results, maximum income without wasting your time on various other stuff that's out there right now. Trust me, I've been an affiliate for about 8 years online right now. I've won multiple awards. I've actually got my car paid for because of the affiliate efforts that I've been putting online. So go ahead, make sure you click that link in the description, but at the very least, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I would love to see you on some more videos coming up that I know is going to help you out. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please make sure you do those things. Go and check that link, the first link in the description. So make sure you do go ahead and click the first link in the description. And of course, there should be some more videos around this one as we're ending right now to give you a little bit more help as far as making money either on YouTube or online itself, and helping you to build a business of your dreams. So that's it for me, and I'll catch you on the next video.